You won't believe how often suspects steal police cars just because the keys were left inside. What follows? High-speed chases, chaos, and terrifying crashes caught on camera.
Oh, shit! Firstly, he's got a cop car. Don't let him get away. Don't you fucking let him get away.
Hold up, notice this. Some officers shut off their vehicles and take the keys with them. But the ones who don't, that's when trouble starts.
Oh, shit! Firstly, he's got a cop car. Don't do it! I'm gonna... Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Go! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Freeze! Freeze, stop!
It all began when police were alerted about a man attempting to steal cars.
Move, move, move! Whoa! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Shots fired! Shots fired! Crash to the cruiser! Throw map northbound! Shots fired!
Meet Jimmy Shoemaker Gonzalez. On the morning of January 12, 2023, he carjacked a Dodge Durango in Hartford, attacking the owner with a knife and leaving them injured. But that was just the beginning. One reckless choice followed another. He slammed into a snowplow, smashed into a rock wall, tore through a fence, and then failed to hijack 2 more vehicles. Eventually, he took off in a stolen Toyota, all because of a reason you'll find out soon.
Don't do it! Whoa! I'm gonna... Get out the car! Get out the car! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Freeze!
Slow car 257, headed northbound on your own. Highway speed. 6 behind him, 6 behind him. You're on with me? This is 17 units to the drive. Down me? 52. Approaching Route 6. You did have his life out of him. He's approaching Route 6. He's way ahead of me right now. Firstly, does not have any lights on. Suspect possibly hit once or twice on the...
Down Brook Street. Southbound down Brook.
Yeah, we need to the garage for crimes.
Southbound on Brook. If that's not someone down there, he activated the lights.
Don't you guys go to an event one or something like that? You can hear the radio.
Is everything clear?
Yes. I need some caution tape down here as well.
At the hospital, tests showed Gonzalez had cocaine in his system, explaining his reckless behavior. After being released, he was taken into custody, but claimed he couldn't remember much, except that he believed the officer had no reason to stop him, and he even planned to sue the police.
Now,
On February 6, 2022, a suspect in Chattanooga stole a police cruiser and gunned it straight toward Georgia. But here's where it gets terrifying. He wasn't alone. Inside the car was a loaded rifle, and before officers could catch up, reports of gunfire started flooding in. This wasn't just about a stolen vehicle anymore, it was a race to stop something far worse. Although the first pit maneuver didn't stop him, the second one spun the stolen SUV out. But instead of giving up, he jumped out with his hands up, then ran. At first, it looked like he was surrendering, but seconds later, he was leaping fences and vanishing into the woods. What he didn't count on was K9 Freya. Officers set up a perimeter, and minutes later, Freya found him hiding in the trees. And just like that, the game was over. The SUV went back to Chattanooga PD. Parker went straight to jail.
Don't you fucking let him get away.
Once again, leaving the keys inside caused chaos. Officers pulled over two suspects, and in a flash, one jumped into a nearby cruiser and took off.
Don't you fucking do it. Get to the radar. They have a police car. They have a police car. Vehicle 15 going eastbound on Winchester. Vehicle 15, they have our car.
Once again, a cop's mistake caused danger in a quiet neighborhood.
You do it. Again, you do it. Don't you do it. Get the fuck out of the car. Don't you do it. You're making a big mistake. Don't let him get away. Don't you fucking let him get away. Box it in. Just don't run over anybody. Watch out. Careful, careful, careful. You motherfucker. You're fucking done. Hey, right over here. He can't.
Inside the stolen police cruiser, the suspect ignored commands to show his hands. Then officers noticed something chilling. The patrol rifle, meant to be securely locked, was now lying loose on the seat. The suspect had been pressing random buttons until it unlocked. With a weapon in play and a dangerous escape attempt, taking this suspect down wasn't just urgent, it was critical. Our last chase kicks off in a way you've likely never seen before.
He gets away with what he did, okay?
Do you have anything in your purse?
My shit?
Okay. Any weapons, anything?
No.
All right, I'm gonna have to take a look at it real quick, okay? Okay, you can't.
What am I supposed to do with it? Leave it here on the side of the road?
I don't know, that's up to you. They're gonna toss it at the jail, so
Well, whatever. Yes. Look at all my shit gets thrown away and I get fucked again.
711, 712,
Yeah,
I'm trying to work. Okay, are you gonna toss the...
Where? What am I supposed to do?
Toss it in
Lose all
here.
my shit?
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Unless you want to see if you can leave it with them.
No! They fucking me!
Courtney? Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Now you're gonna fucking force me.
Yep. Put your hands behind your
Shit,
back.
wait. I'll get in the car.
Courtney, put the bag down.
I'm not leaving my stuff. Not leaving my stuff.
Put the bag on the ground.
Not leaving my stuff.
I didn't
You
say
can't make me leave my stuff.
I'm not gonna make you leave it.
Yeah, you are. You fucking me too.
Courtney,
You fucking me too, bitch.
don't
Get away
put
from
it
me.
down.
Call somebody. Get somebody here. Cunt.
Put your bag on the ground.
You ain't making me leave my stuff. Yeah, you
Put your bag on the ground.
Why? So I can leave it? You're gonna make me lose my shit? Make me lose more of my stuff.
Put your bag on the ground.
You're gonna make me lose more of my shit.
6411,
You're gonna fuck me too, huh, Popo? Popo fucking me too.
Emergency.
Bitch, fuck me too.
Put it on the ground.
You're fucking me.
Put it on the ground.
Why? So I can leave it?
The officer had to wait a while for backup to arrive before handcuffing her and placing her in the patrol car. Strangely, she was put in the front seat with the lock keys right beside her. And as you can probably guess, the car keys were left inside and even the engine was running.
Out here, but Robert's got a pretty good bite. Fuck. 6415, we're in pursuit of a patrol car.
6415 pursuing a patrol car, direction of travel.
Westbound, coming up to Moreland.
Approaching Moreland.
It's going north on Moreland.
North on Moreland.
Get after it. Stay calm, you're good. Still northbound, coming up to Bailey. Speeds are 100.
100 miles an hour.
Brake, scrub.
The MSP cruiser.
A-firm. Gonna be east on Bailey.
Eastbound Bailey.
I can't see her. Looks like she is continuing west.
Continuing westbound on 100.
Yeah, it says it's a dead end, so we're crossing green on 100th dirt road.
Number 100, dirt road, crossing green, possible dead end.
Luckily for everyone, her poor driving skills brought the chase to a quick end, right into a swamp. She's now facing several felony charges, including assaulting an officer and evading arrest. The judge set her bond at $20,000 and imposed tight restrictions on her leaving the state. Reckless suspects or careless officers, who's really to blame for these wild chases? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.